guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time I haven't done a smoothie for you, but tonight I'm going to do a smoothie with some very interesting fruits right here for you. So I have here some triple berry, some apple and red banana cut up, that's American apple. I have some organic yogurt, pineapple juice and some ice cream. So I'm gonna get started, but before I go, remember to like all my videos, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about my videos, and remember to share my videos. Share it with your families. Yeah, thank you so much for that. So let's dive into the video. So first I'm gonna add the juice to the blender to make it easier. It's always advised to add the juice to it first. Then I'm gonna add my fruits, apple, one banana, medium apple, right? I'm gonna add my yogurt. Well, let's add some yogurt first. That amount is fine. Get some yogurt. Organic yogurt, so this is supposed to be so near to natural, right? So I'm using 2 spoons. I'm gonna add ice cream, just a few. Then I'm gonna cover this and I'm going to blend away. So this is supposed to be just a regular smoothie without any greens, anything, but just smoothies. Foods, alright? Stopped itself, so I hope it's ready. So let's taste this. Look at it, guys. It looks pretty. Wow. It looks delicious. It looks real good. Take a look. Wow. I'm almost finishing it, but guys, this is really good. Really good yogurt. So smoothies. So you can go ahead and try it for yourself. So delicious. Look at it. Look at it. Looks so beautiful. And the ingredients, as I said before, it's blueberry, apple, red banana, some organic yogurt and some apple juice, and the ice cube. That's it. So delicious. So go ahead and try this recipe. You will love it. So remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this delicious smoothie. Alright? So until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.